Hey guys, one of the things that I love to do is I love to create an easy stir fry. And the easiest thing to do is I like to, hold on, I'm gonna reach across you really quick. I like to build my flavors, and I always start with onions, honestly, and a little bit of butter. I do. I start with a little bit of butter, a little bit of olive oil, a little butter right here, a little butter, a little olive oil, EVOO. I throw that in there and I start there. And I usually start with onions first, onions with a little Himalayan sea salt. And I just kind of let those onions caramelize a little bit. Then I usually add, I kind of build my flavors. I build them a little bit. I start with the onions. I usually go from there to some mushrooms. And then what you see here, this is actually shredded broccoli. I love those things, shredded broccoli. And then I add that with some red cabbage and some green beans, and I just kind of let that saute for no more than 2 or 3 minutes, and bam, that's it. Salt and pepper, that's it. Now, if you want to have some fun with some different flavors and things like that, add some curry or some turmeric or some different Weber seasonings to it. If you want to do that, that's fine. Some paprika, all of that's fine. But you want to go easy with that because you don't want to create too much of a thing so that your body will retain water. But anyway, so just keep your flavors really simple. So you want to make it about the food. So as long as you get your greens in, so that's more than enough for me to have with my 3 major meals. And if I want to have a little extra with my protein shake or have something with my snack in the middle of the afternoon, that's fine too. But that's really how you do it. It's really easy. You just build them together. It shouldn't take no more than 2 or 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook your food because if you notice, my green beans still have a really good pop of color. And that's what you want. If they start to lose their color, you're overcooking your food, and you're going to cook the nutrients right out of it. And you don't want that. So anyway, so that's how you do it. You add that to whatever protein that you're having for the day, and bam, those are your meals right there. That's how you do it. All right. We'll see you guys at the gym.